Welcome to the Enforce Strong Passwords Lab. So you're going to learn how to, as the title suggests, enforce or force users to have strong passwords when the accounts are created. So you can have all the firewalls and virus scanners. All this protection is negated if your password is cracked. So this is where the strong passwords come in. It would be something difficult to guess using manual and automatic password cracking tools such as dictionary, adding numbers and simple characters. So we'll use our virtual PC. In the search bar, type secpol.msc. You normally actually, let me try that again. I just wanted you to see what comes up here. Alright, so we'll go to account policies and then password policy. Click here. You need to ensure that store passwords using reversible encryption is disabled. So this is exactly what we want. It's set like this automatically. Otherwise, the way to decrypt them would be stored locally on your machine, which is something you don't want. So your password must meet complexity requirements. I'm going to double click this. What I recommend you do is read through what actually happens when you enable this. You've probably seen these before when you've joined different websites, saying how many digits, uppercase and lowercase, and non-alphabetic, it has to be included, etc. And there's also the security policy on the Microsoft website. But this is pretty simple to enable. You just click on enabled, apply, and then OK. And now you can see it's enabled. Now, if you wish, you can actually run a test. We can click on the gearbox for the settings. We'll go to accounts, family and other people, and we'll create a new account, add someone else to this PC. I'll click on don't have this person sign in, so we don't have to worry about getting a login information. So I'll add a user without a Microsoft account. Doesn't matter what you call it. Test secpol. I'm going to put password all in lowercase. And then unfortunately you have to go through this step. So security question, I'll just type in any random letters. So I'll fill in these three policies. So I've got these here. I've got my username and my password just as password. I'll click on next. Alright, so we've got the warning. It doesn't meet the password complexity requirements set by the administrator. Get the requirements from your administrator and then type a new password. So you've been blocked. That's the end of the lab. Thanks for watching.